Do you want to make more passes on Please Donate, but this problem is disturbing? Then I got you. This problem is happening because you have made 50 passes, and Roblox allows you to have 50 passes per experience. So to fix this, all you have to do is make another experience. So here's how you can do this. At first, you need Roblox Studio. Then simply click on Baseplate. After that, all you have to do is press Ctrl+S and save it. Then go to create.roblox.com and click the experience that you just saved. After that, click on Passes and create a pass. Boom! You can now set the price. Now to make this pass show in your booth, you have to public this experience. To do this, all you have to do is come to the home page and click the 3 dots in your experience in which you made the pass, and simply select Make Public. Done! Now let's check that is this pass available in Please Donate or not. Here we are in Please Donate. Let's check. See, this pass is here. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you find this tutorial helpful. See you in the next video. Bye!